Hey, how you doing today? This is my 98 Grand Cherokee. And we're going to do ignition switch here today. Oops. Okay. Now I've already started this. There's a T20 Torx right here in the bottom. There's another one over here. And this one here is a T20, but it's a security, where it's got that little tit in the middle of it. Let me see if I can show it. And then it'll come off when you do it, when you undo it. And then if you want the top off, you gotta go up here in for your tilt wheel. You gotta turn this out, that down there, and then this top comes off too. Okay, and that'll let you access the other side. But what I was going to show you is, see the end of that? Oh no, that doesn't. I was wrong. That's just another T20. I was wrong. So now we'll come back up here. Man, got some. Try to block some of the sun with my jacket, I guess. But okay. And this side here, just that, as you see, just lifts up, and I have I think these are supposed to be security. There's one there, there's one over there, and there's one over here. Then you got to disconnect this little jammy here. Got a little clip on the side there. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a better look at that with my glasses on, but that should just come right out. And then you take your, I believe it's a 20, but I'll check right now. Yep, that's a T20 Torx. You see that? I'm seeing better now. I'll try to focus in there a little bit. And you're going to have to pull this out. Okay, there's a little tab on the side there. You just pull this up, and then you can pull this right on out. Okay, then you take these out, and then I'll show you how to take the bottom out. There's another tab over there. I imagine there's a tab right there, and that'll come out. Okay, I'll let you go for a second. Okay, now that I've gotten the 1, 2, and then the third one up here, that security Torx out. That was 15 or 20 security, excuse me. Now this should pull this straight out. Okay, be careful. Man, look at all the crap on there. This is a 20-some-year-old switch, a 20-year-old switch, I guess. And you're gonna have to be very careful with it. You see how that's oriented toward 3 o'clock? And you're going to want that. So, what you're going to do is you're going to pull. There's a tab here and a tab over there on the other side. It's just like it. And you just pull up a little bit and take it out. But it's going to take me 2 hands, so that's how I'm going to do it. Alright, now I have, this is the old one, and it's still got the key cylinder in there. And I'm going to how to take that out soon. You look at the back, you're going to see a keyway right here, and you're going to want that oriented toward 3 o'clock. Now this is your new, and this one, and you turn this one to orient the same way. I already did it, and you can see that this matches to there, this matches to there. And what I'll be doing is I'll be taking my key, and I believe you take it to the first stop, and okay, right there, and I'll see if I can get it out with a pencil. So that's what I have on me right now. Okay, and she'll come right out. Then come over here to this one, and we're going to do this. Same way now, I guess. Okay, just a couple things I want to show you. There's a couple little tabs here that have to fit in. When you put it back, you're going to obviously connect your wiring harness first. Then you're going to work this in there to where it sits flush. You don't want to force anything like that. And then you're going to reinstall your 3 number 20 security head screws. And we're going to go from there.